In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can purchase fractional shares on interactive brokers. Now, fractional shares means that if the stock is trading for $500 a share and you have only $10 and you want to invest that $10, fractional shares will allow you to purchase piece of that share for $10. So from the bottom of the screen, you're going to click the trade icon. Then you're going to search for the stock that you want to invest in. Let's say XLK. Alright, so once you identify the stock, you're going to select it. Then you're going to select buy. And this is where you need to pay attention. Here where you see quantity, right, you're going to select this little icon and select the drop down. Then at the bottom, ensure you select USD. Then you can select any value of your choice. It doesn't matter, right? And then here now is where you're going to edit the quantity and specify how much you want to invest. So I'm going to say $2 here, right? So I'm investing 2 USD and it's going to give me approximately 0.01 share. Now the next thing you want to set is your order type. So I normally use market order, right? So market will execute at the next available price. However, the market is closed today, but I'm going to submit the order nonetheless. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.